with is, so I'm trying to set up, well, actually I have set up a bunch of commands, command line applications. So basically the way it works is this main, and basically there's like basically three commands to work: generate, local, watch. But I find an issue whereby build in the directory, because it depends on some template files in here, and initially I was getting issues with the publish process not being able to publish with these template files because it complained it can't find template files. So I wrote a build script to kind of allow me to, at least that's what I saw online anyway, it can allow me to copy the data into the directory. But I'm getting some issues about not modifying the out path, not modifying the build script. Sorry, build script should not modify anything outside the out directory. So I'm thinking maybe what I need to do is actually take this package directory. So instead of packages directory, probably take this and first modify this, or at least not this one. Generate to, it's probably use it. So I'm kind of using rust-embed, which doesn't give a great, yeah, it sucks. I wonder if rust-embed supports defaults for environment variables. Folder path allows the variables to be used in a folder path example. Example, the full directory related to your cargo. And that's really all it says. I mean, for this, I can solve this by just setting the environment variables in my system. And I guess maybe that will work for wherever I'm going. Which might make sense, to be honest, when you think about it. It's also technically not standard. Okay, wait, but this standard is a relative thing anyway. Extensions. Sorry. What does that mean, though? Environment support. Oh, syntax highlighting for environment. Okay. as well. Syntax alignment for environment variables. Okay, so that's nice. Kind of miss VS Code for this because of plethora of extensions for stuff. I guess I can't blame the Z developers. They are doing the best they can do. Just June, so I guess probably this is going to end with no progress again. Yeah, you guys are probably not seeing what I'm seeing. I'm just going to put this here. So mostly just looking at the GitHub issue for DR support. rust-embed isn't really ready there yet. Because I gotta be honest, there's a lot I'm giving up. It makes it blatantly Z. Right? I had the best setup on VS Code, and a lot of the extensions were already figured out. Here yeah, probably. I actually started to use that because I wanted something lighter weight. VS Code. Is there a way of using the DRM without? Okay, so yeah, employer your profile. Lovely. Okay, the extension for your shell is on. Oh, it's for the shell. Interesting. On the current directory. Oh, okay. Okay. Wasn't installed actually. hook it into my environment eval. Okay. I have special setup for the things I do, so I need to check something. Wrong directory now. Okay. Let's load that up. Maybe up the path. Alright, so and I have a reload file, so yes, we need to fix that. It's the reload files here. Where that would be. Oh yeah, it's here. separate model, and we can okay. There we go. Lovely. There we go. Oh, now it sees it. So no, it doesn't. That's rude. Super rude. Okay. Directory. Interesting. Directory. Okay, now let's do out directory. And the path from times are tough, stuff as they would be, and we'll never try again. the times issue. That's interesting. Worry about the taste. Usually you want to commit your .env.rc. In this case, it just doesn't contain any security or stuff, so we can leave it. But usually you want to put that in git ignore. Oh, it worked now. Okay, it worked. Yay! All right, let me restore this because I was seeing some really weird super stuff. Okay, yeah. Seriously, it would just when I was using the package directory, it was always messing things up. I don't know why. And one of the things that I find very annoying is I can't. There is no way for me to get a path of like this. So I don't even think I can get like the path of the package itself. And so I'm left with weird tricks like this. Yeah, it won't run. Well, I could say I make it running in dirty, but so what we are looking at is our directory. Just that is where we're now copying files to. Target directory is where we're copying files from. Yeah, so there is no path. I have checked. I checked through Rust environment. There is no pathway. So it allows me to basically. I think we can close all this. Yeah, what is that? Yeah, environment variables. There is no pathway that I could go and say at least target directory. I don't need a target directory. I just want okay, well, I guess that's also an approach. Let me see. Target directory if we haven't used it. Cargo. Decision this source now. And then target directory. Sorry, I need to commit every single time until I just go run it with dirty, but whatever. Let's see. I can always rewrite my git history. Oh, okay. Did I not spell that correctly? Cargo target directory. exit 101. Okay, connect at 40, which is where we are. Present. Okay, so we need to go to the build script, environment variables, cargo sets will create. Cargo explicit this environment variables to your crew when it's compiled, and that it is applies for running banners with cargo run and cargo tasks as well. To get the value of it, and this just use that. Manifest. I think the cargo director is something we can set, but not something cargo sets. Only 7 building integration tests. Yeah, cargo raw secret. No. So none of this says, hey, this is where the package repository package place. There's no like package directory whereby I know I'm running cargo in here, right? And cargo knows I'm running cargo in here because it's actually building from here. Would it not be sensible to just say, hey, cargo, here is also the environment variable that contains the path to where I was executed. Because that's one, right? I can cargo build outside of a cargo project. So it makes no sense that I can't even get that. I'm looking at this cargo registry, cargo profile. None of them tells me, is it the default target platform, the default output directory? See build target directory. I think it's more like where it's going to build it. Sorry, you want it multiple times. Yeah, so it looks like where the placeholder generator artifact is to the current working directory. I mean, yeah, I mean, even if this works, I don't mind, but I can't even. This doesn't work, right? Silly. But anyway, I think I've got the build script to work the way I like it to. We can take this out. Am I still using this? I guess I am. I'll move it down so I can. For now, I'm not sure. It would really be nice to be able to remove this ... but for now it works. Which is alright. Okay. Alright, let's get rebase. Interactive head. Let me see. By 20. Oh boy. Okay. By 25. Oh boy. By 30. Okay. So I'm just gonna pick this, and then the rest I'm gonna mark and replace pick with squash. And that should get me what I want. Yay. I miss Vim, honestly. I like this part. Yeah. Alright. So. Alright, I think we can save this. Merge all build script for template embedding and cargo publish setup. Yeah. And GTAS or GTlog. These are my custom get the layers commands anyway, so yeah, and that looks nice. Better. Looks a lot nicer. Alright. Okay, so now I can now cargo publish. Yeah, the reason I need to publish all of this is because I actually need to use it in a way that isn't like, how do I put it? Oh, snod. I forgot to remove this. Remove unnecessary line. Yeah, I want to do a project setup, but that isn't part of the workspace. And to be able to use this packages in such a case, which is not part of the workspace, I need to have versions in cargo creates the IO, sorry. So I need to publish some of this. Yes, the usual. Okay. I'm just gonna remove all of this. Gateway platform. Binary. Fix keywords. Push it now. Oops. Push it up. Publish. Yeah, so the reason is that I need to have them published, then I can use them because I'm trying to like. So one of the projects I've been working on, I think we discussed this last, was one that I wanted to set up like a project template system for my use. Yay. And the idea is, you can see here actually in the, yeah, I should zoom in because I noticed that this wasn't looking, okay, that's better. Yeah. So I basically I have this project called Temple, and initially it started out as my as a project that allowed me to basically use like mini Ginger, which is like a Ginger template implementation in Rust. That's a post Ginger, and a tiny template, which is like a native Rust. Very limited templates create. And the goal was to be able to create files in the most sensible way, and I can show you through the test easily anyway, without a lot of fuss. One can say this is enough fuss, but the real idea is you can do something like this, which is like a bunch of templates you add into like mini Ginger or tiny template like this, and then I can then structure file creation by saying, oh, templater, here is the target directory I want you to do all of this in, and here is a command, create a directory called widths, and okay, maybe let me go down. Yeah, create a directory called widths, and then for that, this is the order commands you need to run. So in that create a file, and this is the file. Sorry, this is the file's content, and it's a string, and it's saying, oh, it's Ginger kind of template, and this is the template environment you should use, and this is the key, which is basically like, if you look at this for this Ginger one, basically there's a template called world, another one called hello, another one called index. And so basically it's saying, oh, I want you to render index, and here's the Ginger environment you need to be able to do that. And It's kind of nice because it makes my life easier. So you can do like directory path. I just did it so that I can have some niceties here. I probably might make this into an into so that it becomes simplified, and you can just have a into path buff. So as far as I create like extension for strings that can go into path buff, then all works. But for now, later. And yeah, so basically it supports plain text, Ginger, and Tiny, which is the two templates language I've implemented here. Yeah, basically that is. And it's nice because then I can do really nice things, which I will show you next. So initially that was what it was for, but later I want to be able to like create a bunch of projects. Let me put it here. A bunch of projects like this, which is a template of something. Let's say an HTTP application, and this is going to be like the basic setup for it. And this one is really basic, is that it has a reverse proxy server that would build your other project. I need to write this, but you get the idea. So basically the core code of how something should work is here. It has its own cargo, and as you can see, it's not part of any workspace. You can use temp Gingers. I'm using Ginger for most of this. I think it has wider support and better features. And then you can use namespace, variables via Ginger, and then use them as you see fit in that, so that when it renders, it basically renders contents. And you can see an example here that renders a bunch of packages, and this is the content. And you can see that all this is replaced, and then the name also, which is super nice. I didn't even know we put the lib in there. Custom project. This is interesting. Did I leave that in there, or did it? Okay. That is interesting. So for the test, I have something like this. Oh, custom Rust project. I did not see that part where it has lib, path, source lib, rs, name, edition, create type lib, require features. Yeah, this is somewhat annoying. I didn't see that part coming. Because this is a template reads, right? Yeah, probably I need to. So anyway, what I did was I had a bunch of setup that would take Rust embedded directories, which is nice because then we can embed it in the binary, and then generate the environment and some tests here just to confirm that it's doing what I expected. And the core is that we can then take this configuration. Let me show you examples and the tests. Yeah, something like this. And we can take some of these examples and create a package configurator and give it the Rust embedded directories that I want to use. Create an output directory, and in that the name of the package I want to do. Maybe a bunch of parameters you can pass in, so you can use the Ginger's template forgotten what to call it, in there. So basically you just reference those values, and as you can see, like, say, okay, package config, the project directory, the parameters, the name I want, or okay, well, the name of the template I want, and the output name I want to use, and then create, and it would generate output like that. And this kind of does a plain one. This one is for Rust, and I think one of the things that the thing I saw earlier with leap, which is kind of unexpected, is because in the Rust part it does some finalization. Yeah, it does some finalization that I wanna be careful to replace. But I know this one is usually because it needed to generate the info out, right? So what we can do here is say update manifest dot yeah, I don't want none of that, so can do none, because Rust will automatically figure this out itself. Yeah. And for this, because this is more like taking an existing Rust package path, so like if the project template already has a Rust package in there, then it will use the details as is. I think this is more of okay, this updates the package namespace, so sorry, not this one. Yeah, we want to do that here for this one, because yeah, I don't want that. Let Rust deal with that detail because it's good at that. So what we can do is I can cover tests. I think I should have them. Yeah. Yeah, we can run it. Yeah, there we go. Lovely. Although this might pipe in the hash later. But for now it works. So let me put a comment here. This will remove any lib configuration setup. This works when you do not care, but if you do, then it might be wise to consider an alternative approach. Yeah, so I can put this up to that. E.g., update the name correctly, but you need to be careful here. That's why I just set it to none and let Rust figure that out itself. I mean, another approach would be to allow the Rust configuration to indicate if we want to allow it to wipe that out or not, which is pretty easy to do, to be honest. So yeah, I can do this here. I can say clear lib contain lib section false, sorry, bool, and we can leave this as retain lib section, set it to false. Probably best to just maybe this. Kind of miss the fact that in some other languages I could just do default. I don't believe Rust supports default, which sucks. That'd be nice, honestly. Yeah. And then we can, I mean, it's already explicit anyway. Then we can find where this is referenced and just, okay. False. False. Yeah, that's nice. And then I can then come in here and do the deed in the finalization part. If self-dot retain if do not retain. Oh, sorry. I write Python in my day job, so it's yeah, we need to clone it because that's what it's complaining about, right? Because it was like this is being moved. If we retain lib section on type. Oh yeah, sorry. Just be sure I got that part. So package. All right. So yeah, we need to. Do I cancel? No. So yeah, if rust config is some. Oh, well, we can do let some rust config. Do reference for it. Yeah, we can do that. Explore, and then if rust config if we do not want to retain it, then we can kill it, which in the usual that's going to be false. Sorry, that's going to be normal. So I guess I can do something interesting here by doing, I'll just do standard. I think I can kill this because this is being used now. Allow the code, and we can do standard, and it's gonna be like yeah, so yeah, so standard. And it's going to allow us to just use rust config standard. Yeah, rust config standard. Set the cargo and retain lib section is false. And I'm going to add the capability to control that here as well, because this is a binary, and it's important that people can control that part. So this is So this is the language I currently support. The idea is to expand this. The more types of languages I can add. So right now, plain, which is basically like it just copies the directory. It doesn't do any custom stuff. Simple Rust is like simple Rust in the sense that all it does is really just cleans up your cargo.toml file and ensure your project has a cargo file in the first place, and then updates the root workspace if you're using a workspace with the new project name, so like, as a member. The simple HTML, which is it basically just does what plain does, copies the files and whatever. And for all of that, I add a bunch of environment variables in there. So you can actually provide like a GitHub namespace, which is basically like the path to your GitHub account profile or project, so that we can then chain that. You can chain that in. As you can see, I use that here. So GitHub namespace project name. The project name is kind of based on the arguments you provide. So that is basically, this just sets up a package configuration for you. Package config, which is a bunch of nice setup. And yeah, I wanna add a non-required argument in here. Retain lib section. Just keep it same so it's easy. Optional configuration to indicate you do not want to wipe the lib section in your cargo file after replicating templates. Yeah, so now you know. This is a bool. I really like the way they do this pass macro. I'm gonna look into the details one of these days. Alright, so this is nice. I'm just gonna do retain lib section. Ooh. Yeah, it's a bool. It's a bool. All else, otherwise calls F and returns the result. What about unwrap or does it unwrap or unwrap or? Yeah, it returns to contain some value or provides a default, which is a false. So unwraps it and returns to me the value, or okay. So it returns the option. So it needs to be a sum. Yeah, sum false. So this is we'll unwrap that either way. Alright, so then we can then go to packager. Oh yeah, so this, I figured I'm probably going to need to pass that in, because the packager kind of configures those details. Sorry, the language support configures those details. And then simple Rust, as you can see, it sets this up here. It's kind of annoying, but let's add it. Retain lib section. Let's clone. Yes. Kind of annoying to always pass all this in. I think for now I can retain lib section option rule. just a bowl. It's only for option. Probably let's move it up before all the options. Template, project. Yeah, and then we can go in here. Retain. There we go. Now it's customizable. Yeah. Well, this is only used when you have like a workspace cargo file. So, or might be. Oh, okay. Well, you have any cargo file, so you can like tell it that okay, I want to use a cargo file because this is part of like a workspace, or it has a parent, that kind of stuff. If not, it's gonna be cleared. I think that's all right. Yeah. Yes. Right. It's nice and okay. No, well, you can just do this. Yeah, probably best to none, and now we can use that. Works. Okay, works. All right, works. Add retain exception flag. All right. Fun. All right. So I think saying the static is just an HTML. And something nice that I just noticed is that Ginger will like auto escape stuff. I don't know if there's a way to turn off, but for now it works. Nice, because if you look at the template, which is this, it just asks for. Is that it? Oh no, sorry. Is that it? Should be it, right? Yeah, it just asks for. Project directly. It basically just swaps in the parameters we use as template variables, and you can then use, which is kind of nice. I like the fact that I can use Ginger in there to do some customization. But it's not like, well, it's not tightly integrated, right? So there are some limitations to this stuff. I think for now we can ignore this. It's Rust Analyzer. We figure itself out. It can work with the dry environment. Yeah, so I fixed that actually. So I got that working because the publishing was the final part I was trying to get done. Because I now need to focus on this guy, and the goal is to have. So the HTTP app will be two parts. There will be a binary in there which will have this, and that will be like a dev. And the general idea is the project will have a reverse proxy that you own, and you can start that to start building on the project. And it will, every single time you make change, it will automatically, because I think some previous videos we kind of set this up. It would automatically build your project for you with this build arguments, and nice things you can customize this to your needs. Maybe I might change this later. Maybe make it from an environment you can load from your cargo file or wherever, but for now it works. Yeah. So the goal is to like do this. Have a bin. And in your bin, I'm just gonna copy this and paste in there. Sorry, yeah, I need to do dev. Yeah, so in bin there will be both that. Oh yeah, bin source. I'm contemplating if I should put it here but probably not. So maybe, yeah. One of the things I dislike about the way Z does things is like, I don't know if there's a way I can turn it off. Z config. I think this should be done. Maybe somewhere. I think. All right. Z configure directory flag. Can I turn that off? Oh yes, I wonder, is there a way I can tell this? Get gutter. Oh, option intent guidelines. Intent guidelines. Intent guides specific languages. Intent guide hot tabs overpower. Enable just administrative consumption robots. Gonna have to write it for language. Yeah, something I've been getting annoyed about. Settings. All right. I believe this is my standard stuff. I want to do languages. Rust. Soft wrap. True. Okay. Yeah, that's better. I like that. Just makes life easy. Format and save, of course. All right. Okay. Guess they may probably not allow that to be configurable, which is sad. Tax variables. do this because there's benefit to this actually. Especially when I start to do package level, project level configuration. Alright, you want to use it so that you can also, because this would then mean that when it looks for it in my path and some environment variables are set up, it will also pick that up, like I was reading some minutes ago. Okay, so that's that. I haven't started using the assistant much. I should actually. But I wonder if there's a way I can configure it for like local LLMs. Oh llama. Okay. I guess that is possible. I'm going to look into that. Yay. Definitely is a good one to put down somewhere. Pin it. Alright. I think there's a lot of stuff I can close off. I do not. I think I've gotten the hang of most of this. I can close other. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so we can't do anything about that. So what I'm gonna have to do is come in here and just open in my file manager and do app. Shocking. And this I can just do that, and then in here we can do lib like we saw earlier. Is it path? I am not sure. Let me see. Lib source bin name dev. Do need to check. Alright, yuck. Okay, so it's double, which kind of makes sense, I guess. Alright, bin Dave. Yep. Okay. Bin test false for now. Bench false. And we can then do the same for app. And I want to require features from indicator for a binary target x0 that can be run after compile. The default binary found in the source bin, which is default to the name of the package. Additional binaries are stored in the source bin. Oh, in the source bin. The settings for each binary can be customized in the bin table. Binaries can use the public API of the package library. They are also linked with the dependency defined in config. Files located under the examples directory. Okay. Files located under the examples directory. Examples use of the functionality provided library. When compiled, they are placed in the target debug examples. Okay. Sections in the cargo symbol similar conversion specifying how a target should be used. Path. Okay, so it's just path. bin app. And this is somewhat it is somewhat unusual, like being an array of table of tunnel, which means you can write more than one bin section to make several excerpts in your grid. You only specify one library, so lib is a normal tunnel table. Okay. Create type. Alright, I think we can test this out and see. Clean this up. Can maybe do some of this there. There's no need for that. Yeah, and then we can do some dependency with very powerful dependencies. Okay, so we can do their server and then get version 0.1. Tracing action Tokyo. have a sample here. The binary. Yeah, so yeah, the trace, the watch details, and Tokyo. Alright. I think I should have that. Yeah, I can. Alright, that looks way better. Then we can then look at this. So deb is this. And sub should be a lib. And then we can clear all of this. Yeah. Yeah. Entry point to the HTTP app. Great. Library. Alright. Yeah, then we can see how cargo build works. Lose up. Where's to run custom command for a web platform? Huh? Whoa, what's going on? Okay. But I'm not in a... Oh yeah, because of the build RS. Okay. Can I define the target? Define the package. Okay, so we can use manifest path and say cargo tunnel. It's interesting. Compiling every platform V001. Interesting. Why is that? This is the first time I've seen it go that. This is super interesting. What I can do, which was what I wanted to do initially before I was having issues like this. Because initially I had this outside, and I don't think I had issues with that. So what we can do is just move it outside again. And then I can change the build script to basically, yeah. Because there's no reason for that to be honest. I don't want it outside. Yeah. Okay, I'm just. Okay. Looks like I need to. Paste. Okay. Oh, okay, it's done. Alright. So what we can do, which is the fun part, is now I know. Yeah, because it's gonna be dash bin platform. I don't know where. I just need to do dash that. Okay, we can go to the first one and just test this out. Cargo. Yeah, publish dry run. Oh yeah. Move templates out into what direction? Because I remember saying it should ignore templates, right? Yeah, so that works. All right. So let's see. Will it work? Did it work? Can it work? Will it work? Looks like it might, but we shall see. Yep, that's what oh, okay. Oh, okay. The return type of this is called as optionable due to the type of the argument passed. Expected. Oh, so that was. What? That's silly. That is very silly. Makes no sense to not complain when the Rust analyzer. What are you doing? It's silly. It's very silly. I should have known too, I guess. I did find it odd I had to do that. At the time it didn't occur to me. Now it has. Really? Now that is surprising because I know this was supposed to be. Oh. Okay, that's surprising. Yeah, we can just make this an option. Sorry. I think it makes sense anyway. You may include it or not, that's fine. yeah, F myself, yeah, that's workspace cargo, close rust. Move this in here. Yeah, that resolves that, number one. And then we can look at this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I need to change this. Preferred. Line left settings. Let's do 120. Yay. Now it's here. Okay, so we can then do that. If basically the same thing. Let's workspace cargo. If it's rust config, workspace cargo. Can do that. Okay, do this. Just copy that because I need to use it again. So it behaves and some so it behaves. Go to references. Unwrap it, just pass it forward, let it take ownership. Then we can cargo tests, see if everything works well. Yes, it does. Make workspace cargo optional. Alright, that looks lovely. We should try this again. Alright, let's see. And for the meantime, I can PWD templates, HTTP app. I don't know what you mean. Expected path buff found. That does not make sense. Or maybe I mistake somewhere else. Oh yeah, we probably also needed to update this, right? And it's because of probably this is the reason why cargo is not, because of this guy. All right, export out Just gonna. I do realize that all I did was export out earlier, so maybe let's. Does that resolve this? Does it really? No. So. I'm just gonna kill this and just restart it. So just deal with it. Sad. Alright. That is silly. That is very silly. Derive Rust folder. Templates bin platform does not exist. Remove this so I can see things properly. It's getting annoying. Good. Do I have any breaking stuff in here? Oh yeah, sorry. No. This is a sum. Yeah, it's option. This is a sum. Surprisingly interesting. It's because of the the version. I guess now we know what version means. Because of the version. This is annoying. Because of the version. Still doesn't make sense, right? And I still gonna need to update it either way, so just gonna do it. 14. It's an odd thing. I figured it's my use of the app directory earlier to try and solve that issue. Using app directory. I just want to see what's this. Okay, that's why. This is why I hate this blind relative path setup. It has issues that it can lead to. Anyway, so let's try this again, see if everything is still. I need to publish every bloody version type. Publish. Rather annoying, to be honest. Now, every change could lead to a new version that I must update. This is silly. I don't know if there's a way to avoid this. I don't know yet, but I need to find out. Alright. Okay, that don't make no sense. Alright, so what's going on now? That's odd. This is silly. Okay, let me also specify that already? I think I did. Sorry, not that. Templates, bin. Yeah, you need to move it down there. Well, it's alright. Oh, okay. Though that's still troubling. Odd because I already specified templates, right? Must I be very specific in every single thing? Templates HTTP app. It's gonna be interesting to see. Sorry. Maybe that was what the cause. Okay, that seems to be all right. I'm not interested if I don't give it directly. Weird, I have to do all this by hand. Yeah, I need to be specific. I cannot just... Irony. Okay. That is still weird. That is still super weird. So why did publishing of dev server version 2 senseless? Why would the publishing of dev server, and I didn't even think when I was doing it, why would publishing dev server in any way break package building? It made no sense. It made no sense whatsoever. How would that be affected by the build script? And this is saying that I can only have one build script in the core package? So you can have like build script. This is odd. have it here. It's here in all its annoying glories. Okay, let's look at this. I haven't logged into GitHub here. I didn't. Oh, function dev server. When they're supposed to pop. Oh, this is annoying. I published update the wrong package. Supposed to publish tempo version 2. Ah, that's so annoying. Let's do tempo version 2. Okay. I don't even have it here. That's odd. Ooh. I don't have it there. How does that make sense? Away tempo workspace. Oh, okay, yeah. Interested to see if I cargo build, this fails, and it uses the right directory, right, locally. Oh, this is stupid. Okay, so that was what was happening. Cargo build. Oh. So cargo build is built on the local cargo. Publish releases the package, which is why the path changes. Okay. Probably gonna need to read that book on build scripts. Okay. Rust. Oh, well, I can actually get the correct profile. Okay, yeah, I remember that. I remember that very much. So I guess this is simple yet annoying. So basically what we need to do is this. Let templates directory. If oh yeah, I need to first let profile name if profile name equals debug. I don't think I can do it. Yeah, or some parts of Python. I know I can do tuples here, but I'm sorry. But I don't think I can do n, which would be nice to have. Probably good to also just put this out. Yes, I know what it's done. If profiling so this okay. Cargo build. I expect it to fail, which is hard in itself, but it works. Profile. What in Blitz Bazooka? Oh, sorry. Yeah, cargo check is running, so it's gonna take a while for this to basically finish. Okay. In my view, this is silly. This is very silly. Undo the bug or release mode. It's a silly hack, to be honest, which I believe shouldn't be necessary. I mean, it should be easy for me to say, okay, this is the original package directory I want to build, and then be able to use that to do what I need to do. So all this dot blah blah nonsense. Okay, publish, dry run. Oh yeah, so cargo publish. Publish the temple v002. Going to waste an unnecessary version number. Silly. Very silly. So silly. So that's that version. So let's see. It is also debug. I hated that. Okay. So we can't use required to do hacks upon hacks just to make it make sense. And it doesn't make sense. It makes no sense. I'm just gonna do a custom. So if I do this, disappointed, very disappointed. I'm going to be very interested to see how other people write their build scripts. If there's something I can use, because this is super disappointing. Well, it's not failing anymore. It's not failing anymore, at least. And yeah, so. be a way. There might be a way. There might be a way. There might be a good way. I have it already, I wonder. Templates directory. Value. Templates. Relative. True. Okay. Shall we see? What do we have? Does this lead to any interesting moments? Let Tempe unwrap. Template directory. Ooh. I feel something burning. I feel moment of truth. Just gonna do this. Show me. Very interesting. Doesn't seem to be loaded. Oh, sorry, dot cargo. My bad. Yes. Show it to me. Let me see the light. I think it made it. Yes. Yes. Yes, we have found it. The way. The pathway. The pathway has been found. The right, the right way. Yes, yes, yes. Let us test this great way. There is no need. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Let's see. It fails, we find the logs. It passes, we know we have found the key. Oh yes, sorry about that. Show it to me. Yes. 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 That which I seek has been found. Yes. Yes, the proper way. The right way has been found. Yes. 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 Indeed. Yes. 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 Oh yes. This is the way. This is the right way. Have I published? I think I have published Path before. I don't think I have that yet. Sorry. The real part of the century. It is the right way. Yes. I'm still using that. Yes. Yes. All right. I think now that we have that, we can done cargo build. Fixed it. Way that works. Maybe I shouldn't talk too soon, right? Yes. Yes. We have resolved the problem. A way that works regardless. Ah, yes. The freedom it feels. The delight. The joy. Ah, yes. Oh, right. Okay. So with that done, I don't think I need to help any of us. I can do that. With that done, I think what's left is really to figure out why this was controlling itself earlier. Cargo build. Can't read source. Is it directory? Oh, let us what? Oh yes, that's correct. Ah yes. Yes. Ah, we must point directly to the file. Yes. Since we are going to supply the path, we must supply it. Cargo build. Let's see, similar. That's odd. It's very odd. But let's give it a try. Maybe it's similar, the same vein. Really? But I updated that. Did I not? Bloody. I did the wrong one. So wrong. Luckily I still have this. I didn't realize I made such a silly mistake. Silly me. Yes! Grand, as it were. Basic setup. It's the app. Right. We have something now. Something that makes sense. Something that seems to make sense. Oh, I think that would be all for today.